Thank you for buying 18228 hinges from Fixture Displays. Under this part number, we have two different colors and functions. One is primarily used for wood box, and the way to do that is to cut a slit in the lid or the base of the wood box like that, and then you'll fill that with a permanent adhesive. Then insert the hinge bottom half with the metal portion, with the spring portion facing inside like that. Likewise, you prepare the other lid or the base of the other part of the box, fill with the adhesive, and insert the other half. We're going to have a close-up view later in the video. But basically, this is how you work on the other half. Insert that slowly but accurately, and then let the adhesive cure. Then you'll have a functional set of hinges. Now, this style of hinge with the 4 cutout holes is primarily meant for working with the metal boxes. Your metal would be stamped with the protruding feet to go through those holes and then lock them in. However, you can also use this on wood boxes if you so desire. Remember, this spring section should face inside the box, not away from the user, but face inside. So we're going to do a slow motion how you would insert the other half. Just like that. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.